In this video, we'll show you how to access the reset button and the SD card slot of your PTZ camera. As you can see in the video, we start by taking off these screws. We'll turn this way and lift it up like this so we can access the other screws hidden behind this shell. Turning the PTZ camera to its side, we just need to take off the rest of the screws as we're showing in the video. Once we are done taking them off, we will then have access to this panel which contains the reset button. Now, this is the reset button on the PTZ camera. To have access to the SD card, we need to take off more screws. We're just going to turn our camera and start taking off these screws. Once we're done, we'll have access to the SD card slot on the camera as can be seen here. This is the SD card slot. We're just going to go back now and close up our camera. This is how to access the reset button and the SD card slot on the PTZ camera.